Aras manages multi-CAD data created in external tools like SOLIDWORKS PDM, shown here. This information can be used across the enterprise by team members without access to CAD to improve collaboration and change management processes. To check the model into Aras Innovator for the first time, we'll start here with Register. This process builds the assembly and parts structures in Aras Innovator and generates part numbers if you choose. It also spots any configuration information you've already built into the parts in SOLIDWORKS PDM. Using Show PLM Parts, we can see all the parts that were just created on the Aras PLM platform. Descriptions and other properties from inside of SOLIDWORKS are all mapped to fields here. CAD documents are created inside of Aras Innovator, both for assemblies and for parts. But only the metadata and containers are created during this step. No CAD documents are attached yet. We'll do that with the Submit process. Submit pushes the physical files from SOLIDWORKS to these part objects, CAD documents, and containers we just saw over in Aras. At this stage, viewables are generated, a process that is configurable by your administrator. We're using the built-in Aras conversion server to complete that task. This time, when we view the PLM part, a bill of materials structure generated automatically from the CAD data has been established, mapping one-to-one with the CAD parts from SOLIDWORKS. Plus, we have viewables. Viewing the parts lets us see the configuration information too, with one CAD file for both configurations. The viewable for the entire system is visible here, and anyone with a browser can access, view, investigate, and mark up the viewable. For example, if our user without CAD wants to add a comment, this is simple in our visual collaboration feature. They can tag another user who will receive a notification of their comment, access the viewable with the markup, and complete the requested change. Over here back in SOLIDWORKS, that user must change the work state to make a change, which changes the state in Innovator as well. And then they place the new component. With the change finalized in SOLIDWORKS, it's submitted to PLM, and the connector brings the data over to Aras Innovator. Only the new pedal assembly will be generated during this step. Finally, the user can initiate a formal change management process in Aras Innovator from the SOLIDWORKS PDM user experience by choosing Add to Change. Both CAD and part items are added here. The whole structure can be selected by default, or the user can select and remove items from the change. Any type of change object in Aras Innovator can be generated here with its number. Back in Aras Innovator, users complete the review and approval process using our workflow and sign-off features, a process that can span the entire enterprise and include users outside of the CAD team to ensure traceability, collaboration, and compliance.